So first of all, you log in Zoom homepage. When you are here, well, basically you need to log in your own account. If you didn't have an account, then you can sign up for free. So it's free for personal use. So I already have mine, so it automatically goes to my account. So on the left side, you are going to see meetings. So then you click meetings, and the page will come out. And on the right side, you can click schedule a new meeting. Here is the topic of your meeting or the name of your meeting. You can give the meeting as you like, and then you can schedule a time. So for example, I schedule at 5 o'clock. And further, you design the durations. So for example, the class lasts for 1 hour and 30 minutes. So then you can do that. For the rest of the selections, you can basically just leave it as is, no much change, and you just save it. So after you save it, and then basically you have the meeting. Well, if you want to start to recording your class immediately, so basically you can start this meeting. So then there is a dialog. It says open the Zoom. You click yes, open the Zoom. So the software connected to Zoom. So this is how the interface look like. So then you can click join with computer audio. On the left corner, you can see there is a little microphone. So I use my earphone, my cell phone is for that purpose. And here it says start the video. So you can click. Now you can see the image on the screen. If you want to start your lecture, share the screen. So here you can click share the screen, and then you can select the screen that you want to share. So before I open up the Zoom, I opened one of my lecture. It's a PowerPoint. So I just click share. So now you can see that my PowerPoint show up on the screen very nicely. So on the top, you have a basically like a control tab, then you can choose what to do. So if you want to record the lecture, so then you can go to more and then select record. So you click record. So now your lecture is being recorded. So then you can start your lecture. If you want to slideshow from the current slides, then you can do this. So, well, basically you go through your lecture like usual, and then after you are done with your lecture, then you can stop recording and also stop share. So after you stop share, and then the screen will come back to the camera. So if you don't want your image show on the screen, and then basically you can just click here, stop video, and then students will not see you. So then you can share the screen. Another function that I feel really cool is that it can share with your iPad. So here you can see that iPhone, iPad. So I click that and then click share. And then this is a dialog asking you to share with your iPad. So here I have an iPad. This is my iPad, and then I have an Apple Pencil. So then how to link these two together? So basically what you need to do is to get this dialog coming out, and then you press screen monitoring, and then find Zoom and my name. And now you can see that on the screen, on my computer screen or on the Zoom screen, you can see the image of my iPad. And now I can start handwriting. So for example, I start the note, and I use my pencil. I use the pencil and then start to write. So you can see that here is a little icon at the bottom. So this is a little pen, And you can, if you don't want to use the writing function, you just want it to come back, and then you can press it again. So now I want the handwriting. So for example, I write A. Oh, so this is the eraser. So you have selections of the pen and the eraser that you can choose. So if I want to choose a normal pen, I want a color of black, so then I can do that. So I write A plus B equals to C on my iPad. And at the same time, you can see that on the screen, you get the same image. So for example, I write 1 plus 2 equals to 3, and then you get it. And it's very convenient, so you can change the color. This is correct, and you can erase it if you don't like. So you can erase what you have written. And if you want to highlight, then you have the highlighter, and so you can highlight what you have written. So basically, there are a lot of functions, and it's a lot of fun to play with that. And when you are done, and then you can just click stop share, end meeting. So end meeting for all, and you can see that it's automatically convert meeting as a record and recorded on your computer. So then I'm going to close it and then show you where we can find it. Basically, here is a browser. This is in the document. And here is a folder, it's called Zoom. And then basically here you have a time. So this is today's date. And here is the video. The reason you didn't hear my recorded lecture is because I wear my earphone. So the sound is through the earphone, not the speaker. So it's a very nice recording. And also there's some like editing tool that you can use. So then if you see this is added in photos. So basically you can double click and then editing. Yeah, so through this way, I think you can conveniently create an online record for your course.